Hi, I'm George, the Weather Dad, and take a look at your upcoming week, including the upcoming weekend. We're getting near the end of March, so our normal high temperatures are getting a little bit closer to 60 degrees. This is going to be an interesting week from the standpoint that we're going to have some showers almost every day. The driest day may be not only today, but possibly on Thursday. After that, it's going to be fairly wet, and temperatures are going to be pretty close to normal, then maybe even a little bit above normal for a while. And then we're going to get hit again with another pretty good sized storm that's going to take temperatures down. So let's first talk about your Tuesday. Temperatures kind of about normal or slightly below normal throughout most of the Midwest, and we'll see some sunshine on your Tuesday, but we're also going to see a few showers around thanks to that little L right there. It's not going to be a wide event as far as precipitation is concerned, but I think we'll see some very nice along the south and the Gulf Coast. Wednesday, well, once again, temperatures pretty close to normal. That'll put us right somewhere in the middle to upper 50s right here in the Ohio Valley, chillier up to the north. Again, the real nice weather, well, spring breakers, you're having a good time down south along the Gulf Coast, especially the state of Florida. By Thursday, you're starting to see a little bit of a modification of the temperature, so we'll be closer to normal, if not a little bit above normal, right here in the Ohio Valley. Notice the warm-up there off to the west. By Friday, that warm-up starts working its way towards the east as well as towards the north. So Friday, we should be a little bit above normal. Saturday, much above normal. I would expect temperatures pretty close to 70, if not in the 70s right here in the Ohio Valley. A little cooler certainly to the north, a little bit warmer to the south. Notice, though, it's not a very wide area of dark or orange colors or warmer colors. That's because there's going to be precipitation scattered throughout all this area, which will keep some of the temperatures down. By Sunday, here's where the change comes in. Notice the nice line right here, colder to the north, warmer to the east as well as towards the south. This is going to be the game changer as we work our way on into the latter part of next weekend. It's going to be some severe weather around as well, but I think that's going to usher in some cooler air for next week. That would be the beginning of April. Precipitation wise, as I said on Tuesday, a couple of showers around, nothing major. I don't see any real severe weather from that standpoint. Snow up into the north, maybe even a few showers there for you in Florida on your Tuesday. Wednesday, again, a couple scattered showers around, nothing really to really write home about. But again, that's going to keep temperatures down a bit because of the cloud cover. By Thursday, I think right here in the Ohio Valley will be the driest day, but notice what's going on to the west. Those of you in the Central Plains, up in the Mississippi Valley, rather, you're going to see some showers. Could be seeing some severe weather down in the state of Texas. Notice the big spin off to the west coast. That's a biggie out there. As we head on into your Friday, look what happens. That area of energy just explodes. Could be some heavier rain, maybe again this time of year. This is springtime, even though I don't expect a lot of severe weather. There could be some pockets. We have to keep an eye on that, especially those of you down around Texas, Louisiana, and Arkansas. Looks like you're going to be in for some pretty nasty weather there on your Friday. Saturday, that area of rain moves towards the east. Looks like Pennsylvania, Virginia, West Virginia, Mid-Atlantic region. You're going to get hit with some pretty good heavy rain. There's going to be some icy conditions up to the north, mainly because, again, temperatures are going to be a little bit cooler up in that area. But that's also where that next big system comes in. Notice what happens here on Sunday. It comes in. You see a nice curvature there. Once again, cold air behind it, warm air ahead of it. This is where we could be looking at some severe weather outbreaks, especially in the central to southern plains. And we can't rule it out right here in the Ohio Valley either. But this is Sunday. That's where things are going to change for us from temperatures normal to a little bit on the warmer side to another cold shot for beginning of April, unfortunately, from that standpoint. The good news is, if we're going to be close to normal or slightly lower, a little bit below normal, that means temperatures highs are going to be closer to 60s, which, you know, that's tolerable. At least it's not going to be down into the 40s or even the 30s. So there you have your week. Again, keep your rain gear handy. There will be showers on and off as we head on into this upcoming week. I'm George, the Weather Dad, and I'll be back in a few days with an update for your weekend once again.